Did your CloudRaptor dashboard suddenly stop updating? Here's what's really happening. First, don't panic. Your server and applications will keep running normally. When the CloudRaptor agent stops, monitoring metrics may stop updating, and some automation features may not work. The agent does not host your applications. It only handles monitoring and automation. To fix the issue, start by checking your server. Make sure your server is reachable via SSH and confirm that Docker is running. Next, restart the CloudRaptor agent service from your server. Then refresh your dashboard to see if monitoring resumes. If the issue still isn't fixed, you may need to reconnect or reinstall the agent. In most cases, a simple restart solves the problem, and your system is back to normal.